Coffin Spinner Acrylic Nail Art Tutorial by Hotpinkzebrapolish. Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you my recreation of one of Tony's nails designs that I saw off Instagram and that was requested of me. And like I said, it's not my original concept, so I hope that if you are going to recreate it, you can credit him back just so that the proper artist gets the credit, and so that's important to me. And so yeah, I hope you like this. I hope you find it helpful. Keep in mind, when I was doing this around a metal or a wooden pole thing that was in front of me, so it ended up a little crooked, but you get the gist anyway. So I hope this helps, and don't forget to click subscribe to see my future videos as well. So I already have prepped the nail, and I'm going to be applying my nail form. And so I just took the circle out of the middle, opened the back, and then I'm just going to roll it between my fingers and make sure that that it matches the same curvature of his natural nail. And now I'm going to be cutting out the center of my nail form. So I'm just going to cut it out, and I'm going to cut it to the length that I want the nail to be, the actual nail, not with the spinner. So that is how I'm going to have it, and then I'm going to be applying my nail form and sticking it at the bottom. And there we have it. And then I'm going to be applying some, I know it looked like I just touched the nail, but I didn't, I promise. It looked like I did. But first I'm just going to apply some primer. And now I'm going to be first sculpting out the shape that I want with clear acrylic. And really quickly, you can see that my nails are long. If you're familiar with my videos, you know that I don't wear acrylics, that I love creating them, but I don't usually wear them myself. This was for a special occasion, and a special reason. That's why my nails, they don't match. It was for a little bit of a photo shoot for fun. And so it was certainly interesting working with them on as well. That was quite a process, but hey, I got it done, so I guess all worked out in the end. So I just sculpted out my little coffin shape with the clear, and now I'm going to take my spinner that I've already got strung onto a head pin. I'm going to measure the length and cut it off with a wire trimmer, and then put a black bead of acrylic on top of the nail. I'm just going to start pushing it out into the right placement, and then I'm going to bring it down to the tip. I'm going to press it out again and try to keep the tip as straight and as smooth as possible, so that, because you can't really file it at the end there. And I'm going to take my spinner and I'm going to drop it, which you will see in a moment. There we go, dropped. Try to prevent any acrylic from actually getting on your beads. That is the biggest key there. And make sure it's straight. Yeah, don't make it crooked like I did. So then hold it in there until it is set. Afterwards, you're going to want to cover up the wire with more clear acrylic, just like so. And also fix up the entire shape. When I first placed that bead down, I didn't make sure it went all the way to the edge, and it wasn't really completely finished. I just started the nail, so I'm going to go through and take acrylic all the way out to where it needs to go everywhere and finish it up. Once it is set, I'm going to be removing my nail form, and then I'm going to be filing it with an e-file first, and I'm going to try to do as much of the filing as I can with the e-file, since a regular hand file is going to be really hard to use with the beads, because you don't want to file them, which is hugely important, because if you file them, they're going to lose their shininess. But I am going to do a little bit of filing, refining the edges of the nails mostly to the best that I can. It's not easy. And then I'm just going to file over the surface as well, just as much as I can. It was pretty good before. I don't know, I like using hand files. And then I'm going to be applying gel sealer, that is a matte gel sealer, over the surface, curing it and removing the tacky layer, and that's it. And I know it looks shiny. I just applied a buttload of cuticle oil, which I probably should have done afterwards, but oh well. I hope this helped, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!